Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute little cactus pot. You need some green yarn. This is double knit weight, and I also use a thread to go with it, so I'll be working with holding these two together so you get like a little two-toned effect on your cactus. So we start with magic circle, and making 6 single crochet stitches into your magic circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then close your circle. Next round we will be making increase stitches into each stitch, so you will be making 2 stitches into every stitch from the round below. 1, 2, and I will mark my first one so I know when I go back to the beginning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next round we will be making single crochet and increase all the way around, so you'll be making 1 single crochet into the first stitch and 2 into the next one, and this is the pattern you will be repeating all the way around. Back to your stitch marker. Now the next 3 rounds you'll be just making single crochet into each stitch, so you'll have 18 all around, and you will be making that 3 times. Just doing 1 single crochet into each of the stitch from the round below. When you've finished your 3 rounds of 18, the next round will be single crochet and decrease. So you'll be making 1 single crochet and then decreasing. So you're making 1 single crochet out of the 2 of the next stitches. So you pull up the first 2 loops and make them into 1. I'll show you this again. You get the front loop of the next 2 stitches, pull through, and that's your invisible decrease, and that way you won't get any gaps in your work. So single crochet and decrease, so you're just working into the first loops, the 2 front loops. After this round you will have 12 stitches. Now we get the safety eyes. I'll just pull my hook out and say that your eyes will go between rounds 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and roughly about 4 to 5 stitches apart. You'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 stitches apart. Take the backs of the eyes and click them into place. Next round will be another single crochet and decrease, like we did the round before. So 1 single crochet and then invisible decrease. You can start adding a little bit of stuff in now. And now we'll do another 3 rounds of just single crochet around. When you get to the end of this 3rd round, fast enough, and cut the yarn. And get a little bit more stuff in and just finish stuffing it. All the way. So I find it quite useful to use the back of my hook to do this. Now get your yarn needle and we'll close this gap at the end. So a good way to do this is to feed your needle through all the front loops of the stitches all the way around. You should have 8. And then you'll just pull it and it's closed, and then you can just hide your end of your tail inside your cactus. Now take the little bit of black yarn and we'll make a mouth. You come out from the side of the eye, the row below, with your needle. and then same from go in from the other side the same distance, and then come out another round below, just in the middle between the two eyes, and you get a smiley face. And push your needle through the head again to hide the tail. And now you just need to get your little pot and your glue. If you use a craft glue which dries clear, you don't have to worry about seeing all the edges in white at the moment, because once it's dry you won't be able to see these.